electric or petrol? With rising fuel costs and growing EV technology, here's why 2024 might be the perfect year to switch to an electric scooter. In this video, we'll compare electric scooters and petrol scooters on running cost, convenience, and environmental impact to help you decide if an EV is the right choice for you. Electric scooters cost as low as 15 rupee per full charge, offering 100 to 180 kilometers of range. In comparison, petrol scooters cost over 120 rupee per litre, making EVs far cheaper to run. Petrol scooters require regular maintenance like oil changes and engine tune-ups, while EVs have fewer moving parts, reducing maintenance costs significantly. EVs produce zero emissions, helping reduce air pollution and fight climate change, unlike petrol scooters that emit harmful gases. In 2024, the government continues to offer subsidies, reduced GST, and registration fee waivers for EV buyers, making electric scooters more affordable. Modern EVs provide instant torque, quiet rides, and convenient charging options, while petrol scooters still rely on regular refueling and noisy engines. Switching to an electric scooter can save you up to 20,000 rupees annually on fuel and maintenance, adding up to huge savings over the years. Electric scooters are the smarter, eco-friendly, and cost-effective choice for 2024. Are you ready to make the switch? Let us know in the comments below.